Bob Marley singing it, and there's like drawings of the birds. I was thinking of that. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds fish by my doorstep. And
what's your stage?
this is the stage, a case.
How comes you need a case?
I need a case because I'm not that tall.
And what you say you're in the Granary Studios? What's the Granary Studios?
Well, you could call it Auntie Vicky's and Uncle Dave's. Auntie Vicky? Thank you. And this is Uncle Dave. Hello. Singing sweet songs, a melody pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds fish by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, a melody pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright.
Who's this with you here?
Hello.
Who's it?
Okay. Hello, everyone.
'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a
What are you looking at? Stop filming.